In previous videos in this course, you learned about advanced query capabilities, data flows, and the differences between reference queries. As mentioned before, every instance of data transformation performed in Microsoft Power Query adds a step to the Power Query process. These steps can be rearranged, removed, or modified as needed to optimize the data shaping process. Whenever you use the Power Query interface, M language code is executed to perform each operation behind the scenes. The M language is available for you to read and modify directly in the Power Query Advanced Editor. In this video, you'll learn how to use this advanced editor to update an M query. A core capability of Power Query is to filter and combine data from one or more supported data sources. Any such data mashup is expressed using the Power Query formula language, mQuery. Although you don't have to know M language to use Power Query, being familiar with the language used behind the user interface, as well as being able to update it when necessary, is valuable for anyone using the tool. For example, you may need to perform custom transformations that cannot be easily accomplished using the Power Query user interface alone. This is where knowledge of the M language and its syntax can be helpful. Using the M language, you can perform advanced data manipulation tasks such as conditional filtering, custom column creation, data type conversions, and merging multiple data sources. The language is designed to be expressive and efficient, enabling you to handle large data sets with ease. When you access the M language code, there are certain group names and meanings that are called M syntax. Let's explore the syntax using an M language code snippet. This snippet showcases how to handle various CSV file operations in Power Query, including setting up the initial data source and performing data transformations, loading the file, specifying the delimiter and encoding for the CSV document, calculating the number of columns, and assigning a value to a variable. You can find more information on M syntax in the additional resources of this lesson. It can also serve as template code for further data transformations using the Power Query M language in Power BI, which you can customize based on your needs. The Advanced Editor provides syntax highlighting auto-completion and error checking features, making it easier to write and debug your M code. It also offers functions and operators that allow you to perform various data transformations, calculations, and aggregations. Now, let's explore how you can use the Advanced Editor tool in Power Query and modify steps by updating M language code using a practical scenario. A report designer informs Adi O'Quinn, your manager at AdventureWorks, about an error being received in the Power Query window. He assigns you the task of identifying the cause of this error and resolving it. You investigate the issue by examining the steps in Power Query and analyzing the problem using the M language, discovering that the error is a result of a change in the source file's location. Let's outline the steps to resolve this issue using the Advanced Editor tool. Let's start with the source file, an AdventureWorks sales spreadsheet in Excel. If you navigate to the Home tab at the top of the Power BI window, select Excel Workbook in the Data group, followed by the AdventureWorks sales file, and lastly, select Transform Data in the opened window, you'll successfully access the Power Query editor. However, suppose the location of the source file is unintentionally changed by another person. For example, the Excel file is moved to another folder. This will cause an error in the Power Query window. To explore what happens as a result of this error, let's navigate to Refresh Preview in the Query group on the Home tab and select Refresh Preview from the drop-down menu. When you refresh the preview, you now get an error message indicating that the source file is no longer reachable as the location has changed. You can resolve this issue by using the Advanced Editor. To do this, you need to select Advanced Editor in the Query group on the Home tab. Next, you'll need to read the error message and code carefully to determine the necessary action. In this case, you need to correct the file path. In this scenario, I'll change the path from CData C3M3L3 AdventureWorks Sales.xlsx to CData AdventureWorks Sales.xlsx. Your file path will differ from this as it will specify the location of the file on your computer. After you've completed your correction, you can select Done in the opened window. With this edit, you've modified the code using Advanced Editor, correcting the file path and resolving the issue. By using the Advanced Editor and familiarizing yourself with the M language, you can unlock the full potential of Power Query. Whether for error checking or creating sophisticated data transformations that meet your specific requirements, the Advanced Editor empowers you to manipulate and shape your data precisely.